Look out, it's the wolf. In a house on the hill lived Mr. Deer. Mr. Deer was keeping watch at his window. Rabbit was running up to the house. "Let me in, Mr. Deer! The wolf is coming!" "Come in, Rabbit, and keep watch with me." Mr. Deer and Rabbit looked out of the window. "Mr. Deer, Rabbit, let me in!" squeaked Pig. "The wolf is coming!" "Come in quickly, Pig, and keep watch with us." Mr. Deer, Rabbit, and Pig looked out of the window. "Mr. Deer, Rabbit, Pig, let me in!" cried Bear. "The wolf is coming!" "Come in quickly, Bear, and keep watch with us." "Look out!" cried Mr. Deer. "Look out!" cried Rabbit. "Look out!" cried Pig. "Look out!" cried Bear. "Here comes the wolf!" they all cried. Happy birthday, Mr. Wolf!